Point 2. What is this leader's true incentive? A leader can be controlled by the broker to push for a desired trading outcome that sometimes does not align with those of the copiers. But you might be thinking, why would this happen if the leader makes money from my profit? Well, think about it. The incentive to collect profit from trading exists in the case of a winning trade. But what if the leader loses and splits those losses generated by the trade with the broker? This kind of collaboration between a leader and a broker could lead to a situation where the leader might profit more by performing in an adverse manner towards their copier. Look, I'm not saying this is always the case, but you need to be careful anytime you don't know the full story or the capabilities of the parties you are dealing with. This video is part of a mini-series describing the hard truths about copy trading. For the full video, please click the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for future videos. For exclusive offers, please contact us at info@marketsbloom.com.